the ultimate advice for all property buyers and property investors. Hi everybody, this is Dr. Daniele Gambero, the Propenomist from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Today I'm going to tell you something that is strategically important. Ultimate advice. Ultimate means the last, the very latest one. And it's kind of. Now you listen carefully. Malaysia in the next 3 years, 2 years, 4 years will become a fully developed higher income country. Yesterday afternoon I've been giving a talk at iProperty in Mid-Valley, and I was talking about this topic. Last chance to make big bucks out of property. Why? Because in the moment in which Malaysia comes to become a fully developed higher income country, then you can say bye-bye, a big ciao to affordable values in property purchasing. You get me? You have to be smart. You have to understand where this comes from, okay? Experience. I've been seeing it happening at least 2 to 3 times in my life already. I saw it in Italy, I saw it in Spain, I saw it in South America, where I've been living and working for a few years. As soon as a country becomes fully developed higher income country, home prices will go up to the sky. Hey, do you want a very nearby example? Look at Singapore. You want to get some data on Singapore? You want to get a bit of historical data on market of countries, property market for countries that are becoming fully developed and higher income country? Just get in touch with me. You get in touch with me, you drop a message below, comment, I want to know more, and I will get in touch with you. Promise about it. All right? Remember, now or never, you must buy. This is all for today. I will see you all tomorrow, and for a moment, a big ciao.